Alok Kapali was brilliant. 115 from just 96 balls. He was good against spin, and then when the big hitting was required, he was up for it. This is where he started off. A couple of good shots of Yusuf Pathan's bowling. He got going with his six. Terrific strike. Another one. Massive hit over mid-wicket. RP Singh was taken to the cleaners as well. And Ghani did not impress in his last spell. He was a little all over the place and shorter in length. This was cracked over covers for a six. Another lusty blow, and that was the second six consecutive sixes of Ghani. And then this nice wristy shot to get him a four to mid-wicket, and then slicing the ball away from the fielders from point, and then pulling one over square leg and mid-wicket. So it was really an Alok Kapali show. First Bangladeshi to score 100 against India. Plenty of fours, plenty of sixes. 5 sixes. And 115 from just 96 balls.